Kwa dhi mbele ni duol mochung' ne tayo chenro mag sinema pacho ka endi men KFCB ogolo siem mager ne joma nyiso tipo mag timbe anjawo kuonde tudruok mag mbui. KFCB oyango ni gitimo nonro ewi kanda mag anjawo malandore mbui ka giwacho ni joma oyud gi ketho ilano inyalo twe kuom higni 2 kata gogi fwai mar siling 200,000.
It is illegal to share intimate images or videos of third parties without their consent. We also urge social media operators, online distributors, and exhibitors to enforce their community guidelines strictly to avoid misuse of their platforms. Moderation of content in their respective platforms must be in alignment with our laws and cultural values. Going forward, it is important to note that the board shall continue to monitor and flag offensive and disturbing audiovisual content and report the same to relevant government agencies and platform operators for appropriate action.
Chanjo mar kansa mar